today's experiment, we will write an invisible message with lemon juice. Here are the materials we need: a lemon, a small container, a paintbrush, paper, and an iron. You will also need a parent to help you since we are using a hot iron. First, I will squeeze this lemon. Then I will use this paintbrush to write a message and let it fully dry. Let's compare our hidden message paper with another piece of paper that doesn't have a message. It's really hard to see that there is any difference. I will use the hot iron to reveal the message, like this. The lemon juice contains carbon compounds that are colorless at room temperature. The heat from the iron breaks down the compounds and releases the carbon. The carbon then oxidizes when it comes into contact with the air and turns brown, making the invisible message visible. It reminds me that the Bible talks about prophets and how some prophets are true and others are fake. It tells us to test these prophets so that we are not deceived. Just like the iron tested the papers to reveal which paper had the hidden message, so these texts will make it clear which prophets have the true message of God.